Hey guys, I just wanted to send out a little video to help you make your guys' worship videos for this week's Raise a Hallelujah. You guys did an amazing job last week. I'm sure we're going to have some more people this week that aren't sure how to do it. It's pretty easy. So what we're going to do is use two devices. One being, I use a laptop, and what we're going to use the laptop or an iPad or whatever you want to use for is to listen to a track on YouTube. And then we're going to use another device, like right now I'm using my iPhone, to record us singing along or playing our instruments with that track that we're hearing through our headphones. So the easiest way to do it, like for me, is a laptop. I think Ray used an iPad. So you're going to bring up the link that I send out, either on Facebook or text message or email or however you want to get it. It will be available in all those places. And you'll just put your headphones on and start listening to it. This particular video that we're going to use has two parts right at the beginning that I don't want you to follow along with, and that's where he sings Raise a Hallelujah twice before the actual start of the song. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to hit play on our second device. My laptop, I would just hit play on it, and it's going to sound like this in your ears. Give me 1 second.
From the top. Here we go, from the top. You guys are ready.
So this is the part right here that I don't want you guys to do. If you do it, end up doing it in your video, that's fine. I'll just edit it out. So it starts right here. Okay, so we'll be listening to that in our ears, and then just using our primary device, and ask somebody to help you if you don't have any sort of tripod or stand, to just record you. Try and hold the phone as still as you can. Beth's was really good. Liz Erickson's was really good. Raina's, it looks like she just set it up on her desk somewhere. If possible, try and use the main camera on the back of your phone. So if somebody were helping you, that would be very easy to do. Also, take the case off your phone, because some cases block the microphone. So some of your audios sounded kind of hollow, and to get the best sound you should take the case off. But anyway, you guys got my phone number hopefully, and if you have any questions, don't be afraid to call. I'm available all this week, and I look forward to hearing you guys' videos this week.